Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up the D-Link Aquila Pro AI E30 AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 mesh range extender step by step. So first of all, you need to start by plugging the Aquila Pro AI E30 into the wall socket, and it should be near your main router or the existing mesh node during the initial setup process. Now after doing so, you just have to simply wait for this particular LED light to begin flashing. Now on the E30, a flashing setup light usually means that the extender is ready to connect to your network. After doing so, you just have to simply open the E30 application. So basically it is the Aquila Pro AI application which you need to open. Now here inside the application, simply look for the option of install new device. Then you just have to scan a QR code that you found on the extender, and the app is going to guide you through the pairing process. Now if you prefer a quick setup method, you can also just simply press the WPS button on top of your device. So when you press this particular WPS button, you just have to wait for it for at least 3 seconds, and then press the WPS button on the E30. Then wait for a few more minutes while the extender connects automatically. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.